Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you a tamarind juice drink. I hope you all like this one. If you do, please remember to like, share and subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them, and I hope you all enjoy this video. These are our ingredients, what we're going to be using for today. Right, so these are our ingredients. We've got some water, we've got our tamarind juice. It might look like it's in a bottle, but it's not. We've already juiced it and everything, so this is some juice what was left over. We've got our vanilla, we've got a lime, we've got some Tamarind sugar, or you can use brown sugar. We've got some maple syrup and our ginger. So those are our ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Right, so we've got our blender and we've got our jug and our whisk, because you're going to need that. You're also going to need a fine strainer, because you don't want all the ginger pulp in there and the pulp from the lime. So into our blender thing, our blender cup, we're going to put our ginger, and then we're going to put our water. Not all of it, but most of it. And we're just going to blend out our ginger. Right, so that's it blended once, and then we're going to do it again for another half a minute. Right, so that's our ginger all nicely blended out. So you're going to need your jug now. And we're going to put that through a fine strainer. If you want this stronger, you can add more ginger. If you want it weaker, or you don't like ginger that much, then just add a little bit. I'm going to leave some behind just in case I need to add some more. Right, so that's our ginger juice now, and to that we're going to add our maple syrup. The measurements for everything will be in the shopping list. We're going to just give that a little whisk through. And then to that we're going to add our Tamarind sugar. And you want this to completely mix out. So you know Tamarind is the larger granule of sugar. I hope you're all liking our videos, what we're putting out. And if there's anything that you want to see us do, please let us know in the comment section. We won't be able to do everything what you suggest, but we'll try and see what we can do. Anyone using Tamarind sugar knows it takes a while to dissolve. Still some grains in there. Right, and to that now we're going to add 1 cup of vanilla, and then we've already softened up our lime. We're just going to rinse off the skin. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons of just the juice. So you can just judge how much juice you want to go in there. If you want more, you can add more afterwards. We'll say that's about it. Then we're going to add our tamarind juice to that. And the rest of our water. So I'm just going to give this a little taste and see if it needs any more sugar or anything else. Right, so I'm going to add the rest of our ginger to it. Right everybody, so we've got everything in. So that's our tamarind juice. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like in a glass with some ice. So that's how our tamarind juice looks. If you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave one in the comment section. If there's any suggestions what you would like to make, just let us know. And I hope you all enjoyed this one, and we'll see you all on the next one. Thank you for watching.